emotional identity, which is vibrating extremely high compared to the old negative identity, because most people are living in the past each day, and this is reinforcing their identity, and they're clinging onto this negative identity and reliving it over and over, like Groundhog Day, the movie, so that they're totally caught in this whirlpool, this paradigm that keeps them fixed in a fixed way of looking at themselves. So how to transform from this negative identity to this new self-realized identity. Now this is the key. Being an alchemist, which means basically transmuting, changing yourself. So how do you do that? Well, the keys are that unlock the door to your new self is gratitude and love, guys. Now, there's various spiritual tools that you can use to transform yourself. Now, using meditation to transmute, to totally transform yourself each day, it has to be consistently done